Hi, this is Tariq from stockoptionexpert.com. Just going to go through a few wrap up here of some of our scanner catch of institutional calls block. One of the top one was Gpro here. This is just insane. This one is really in an uptrend here. If you look closely, you can notice that this one is on fire. I just want to show you the how it played out. Here it's holding a complete uptrend here. You know, if you look at it, it's just holding the uptrend here from the bottom. And also this created a double bottom here, double bottom the pattern here and back here, and then although it created a top here, it pulled back, and the big breakout it took place here, and non-stop it's running here. So beside that chart, a regular watch out, what we saw is, if you go in my previous video on this day here, in my last video analysis here on August 9th, you will see that we saw institutional call buying right here on this day here on August 8th on this candle here, and then nice move here, 1 2 3 days of move, nice bull flag here. If you look here, this is like a nice bull flag, and then boom here right on this day here. I will show you proof here. When the stock was testing 10-day moving average, we started to see again in institutions calls by block via calls options, and I will show you proof in that. And watch what happened from here. Bang, 68.52, it goes up to $84. And the ones who follow our premium members, they got alerted here on the institutions calls block. Options flow here, options start, it catches all unusual options activity. Look here on September 23rd. Here I said Gpro lots of 45-55 October calls. They bought it right deep in the money here, and the huge move came after this. We follow all institutional big blocks are posted here, you know. So if you look at it, this is just amazing. The move it is seeing insane. We saw once the call buy right at this candle here. Go to my previous post, it's here, and right here the big move of 68 to $82 in 4 straight days. When we say institutional volume, we literally know it. It's not like regular scanner. They do see calls buy, put, buy, all over. We have our unique way of looking at blocks and then analyzing them, and then we relate it to the chart, and then we post it for our members. So this is just an amazing. So on this page, I will go randomly here. You know how this is more consistent than any other scanner. Look here on this day, same day I say September 23rd. I said JCP flow bullish. I think I did post it yesterday. So I'm saying here is look at what happened. In fact, if I said yesterday, so it was on 22nd. I posted it. JCP on 22nd here. Here actually it was a down day right here on JCP September 22, and it did look at the big bounce it had following day, and then these two big candles move of 3-4%. We did catch them, you know, because we saw the calls by right here. So here we made quick 100% or more. Also the same thing here for our scanner. Sometimes I post my technical view. So look at here, SPY S&P 500 mini index. I said SPY going for 50 moving average. Look at my call date was on September 23rd at 11:24 a.m. If you look at the date here, look at the September 50 moving average. I say S&P 500. Look what happened on 23rd. Right here, although 23rd we had a red candle, 24th we have a green candle, and my take was that this was going for 50 moving average here on this day, and then the yellow line was 50 average, and in fact we had a bounce and then here a big boom down. And this is what we also post some technical analysis on this one as well. Also, what did we see on the same? I think as Slxp, we started to see some bearish activity, bearish block buy. I want to see, actually I did not trade this one, just posted here. On 23rd we see a bearish block here as Slxp. Look what happened. On 23rd here we see bearish block right on this candle here. On 23rd, look what happened. Next 3 days it's down. So it's a $10 move. These 3 candles were $10 move, if you can see, if you look at it. On here we see bearish block. So this is the power. If you had some puts, you walked out with sweet 200-300% on this Slxp trade itself. They were trading 155, 160. This was another institutional block. So this is I am still on the same page. Not that randomly I'm picking winners. Now I will go through a few setups of last 2 days here, just random here. What did we see before yesterday? I just want to look at here Dow Jones DIA at September 25th. So look at the date here in the morning daytime, September 28th. I said Dow Jones, this is one of the indexes. I said mini 50 MA support, below it will get up. Or look how my support played out. My alert came out before the move. On 25th I mentioned DIA has support here. On 25th, it did hold the support even on that day, although there are lots of volatility at this level here. And boom, then yesterday the big move was this one. This is one of the strongest index that moved most strongly was this one, Dow Jones. It moved around here. It's almost 1% or 1% here. So it gives you some technical analysis where while the market is going on. We put that Twtr here randomly. I said 50 MA support, watch out. So this is another technical analysis. Twtr 50 MA support. In fact, probably I meant 10 MA here because it's on right on 10 MA because 50 MA is way far. This was probably, it was a typo here. And if you look at some other Facebook, I alerted yesterday here. Look, we will just find. Look on 25th here, Facebook low support on 25th, and what happened? Support alert on 25th. We are going to check at the date. Facebook 25th low. I said today's low is support. Following day, yesterday, nice move of Facebook 2% right here. My support alerts, the consistency with beside block alerts, they also get some support alert here. So here at the same day, Google at 50 moving average, and HD is 77.5. HD had a pullback. We saw some bearish activity here, and the other one was Google. Right now we are watching Google closely at 50 MA here. It did come test 50 MA and around here hovering. So this is something we are going to watch. Another big catch was Moo here. This one actually went to premium members monthly stats. We nailed this one, this earnings of Moo, If you look in my account, we did post it right after earnings or before, with the proof that this went to some premium members. Here some members may 70 or 100% on the calls. On it's there was, I think, 8% total move during the day. So this was amazing. We have to see next few days. We have to hold 50 moving average, or the more trouble ahead. For the indices, Facebook looks strong. It might break out. We entered this one here, we took profits, and our calls were net. We see calls volume here. Even in our weekly premium emails, we alerted our members that the net flow is bullish. Kept it always kept moving, although it went and consolidated, net flow remained bullish. Twitter, we have to see how it plays out. Still holding this. Below this, it can get ugly. Kind of, it looks like uptrend is holding. It's looking like it's heavy resistance area 53, 53, 50. It has to break 53, 50 with volume. Otherwise, if it becomes resistance and you cannot go break it, it can be bad for this in the short term. We have to see it. It can be a small inverse head and shoulder, which is bullish. At the same time, you can see this is double, can be seen as double top, but again, it's not perfect double top, but still you have to keep an eye how it plays out. You have to play options with care. With these ones, normally look at it. If 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, it's almost more than 2 weeks it's in a consolidation in this range for more than 2 weeks. Between here to here, there is, you have to make sure your entry is good, otherwise the calls premium will be just gone. It's just in a consolidation move right here. If you did not have a perfect entry, you are not making much, because the premium will be gone. So thank you. I hope to share more videos with you in the future.